Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, some more update. Well, I don't know if necessarily update's the right word, but confirmation would probably be more of an accurate term. And the first point of confirmation comes via this red line that I talked about in Tuesday's video. And that red line is valued there at $2.40. And I talked about that as a level of resistance, and it did indeed ultimately play out as a level of resistance. Now, I will say that it probably got weakened up. What do I mean by that? Well, you look, and several times throughout the course of the day, the price actually got up above that level for several periods. But as far as accomplishing a true break having two parts, the first part is, well, yeah, breaking up above a certain area. But then the second part is, well, can the price maintain above it? And that's where the price failed today. Was it was never able to stay up above that 240 mark. So that's why it would still need to be considered a level of resistance. Again, I would not argue if anybody said that the resistance got weakened up, but it's still a resistance nonetheless. So 240 remains that near-term level. In the event the price can push up through there and go on a decent-sized move, the next overarching level of resistance to watch would be that purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But, kind of one hurdle at a time. So before you start, focusing on doing battle with the 50-period, the bulls first need to prove themselves in the short run by getting up above that $2.40 mark. And then the other point of confirmation, again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday, but I talked about that pink line there, which is the 200-period moving average. So you can see that once again this morning, the price bounced off of that level of support and never retested it again. I guess got kind of close to it this afternoon. But the main point being the price is still up above that level of support. And as I talked about, that's certainly an ideal level that you would want to see the price stay above. That's a very famous technical indicator within the world of charts. So as long as the price stays above there, that's definitely going to keep the overall chart bullish. So keep an eye on that. And like I said, to give credit where credit's due, you would want to see that the price stay above there, and the bulls did a good job of fighting strong down at that area. So the week, still a couple days left. We'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.